When people think of Iran, safety might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but Tabriz changed that for me. This city offers peace, security, and a sense of community unlike anywhere else. From its lively bazaars to its calm streets, it made me feel like at home, even as a female solo traveler. So what makes Tabriz so unique? Let me show you why it might just be the safest city in Iran.
سلام.
یک کافه بسیار
سلامت باشین، شما لطف دارید.
چای رایگان داده.
رایگان که مهمان هستیم دیگه.
شما خیلی لطف دارید.
برای چایی که پول میگیرن. حالا فکر کن یکی خونه شما بیاد مهمون. چای دادیم پول نمیگیریم که. واسم هر کم از طرف شما بیاد. اینجا چای هم مهمونه، من حتی قهوه اسپرسو هم بهش میدم. خیلی هم خوشحال میشم که بیان اسمتونم بگن که آقا فلان کس فرستاده ها.
The coffee owner was a really hospitable guy, and they offered us free tea, and we tried our best to pay for the coffees and for the tea, but he resisted, and he said that you are my guest and I don't take money from my guests, and he was a really nice guy. From the moment I arrived, Tabriz felt different. The streets were calm and everyone I met greeted me with a smile. Even as a solo female traveler, I felt completely at ease. The bazaars stood out, vibrant and welcoming, where locals made me feel like a part of their community. Tabriz isn't just a city you visit, it's a city that embraces you. There are three big reasons why Tabriz feels so safe. First, the community spirit is unmatched. People genuinely look out for each other here. Second, crime rates are incredibly low, which means you can explore without worry. And third, even at night, the city feels peaceful. Lit streets and friendly faces create an atmosphere of trust that's rare to find. تو تهران هم همین شکلیه؟ تهران هم همینجوری تینچه داری؟ Tabriz shattered all my misconceptions about safety in Iran. The streets are clean, the neighborhoods are organized, and the people are deeply respectful. Visitors aren't just welcomed, they are treated like honored guests. This city is proof that Iran's reputation for hospitality goes hand in hand with a strong sense of security. One unforgettable moment was when I got lost late at night. A stranger not only gave me the direction but walked me all the way to my destination. This kindness wasn't an exception, it was the norm in Tabriz. Safety here isn't just about aesthetics, it's about the warmth of people. Tabriz taught me that the safety is about more than low crime. It's about the kindness and care of the people who live there. If you are planning a trip to Iran, don't miss Tabriz. It's one of the safest, most welcoming places I have ever visited. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next adventure. You can see how beautiful the glasses are. Oh. These cups you can see here is Persian, is traditional Persian dishes. We call it in Persian استکان کمربادی. And you can see this is really thin, and drinking coffee in this kind of glasses is really a good, has a good sense. It's more delicious in this kind of glasses.